Okay, this is a little video tour of the Madewell farmhouse, and just a couple little things. There's just a vacant property next door, and the driveway is kind of long, so it sits a little bit far back. You'll come in over there, and then there are some different parcels in the front and in the back. This is a long contiguous parcel, so in the back of this house is also another parcel. So should you see anybody here accessing the stuff in the back, that is completely normal. They will not hinder your ability to be here or anything like that. We are installing a fence in the back, which is not yet been installed, but it will be there in about a week. So this front area is perfect for storage. You'll see we have mops, brooms, umbrellas, things like that for your use. And this is the inside. This is a big open space that you're free to use. However, we will likely be installing a small desk here, so it will be a workspace for people to stay here. And this is the primary bedroom that is private. You'll see there's a place to hang your clothing and that sort of stuff. And here is a bathroom with a pretty good sized walk-in shower. And there is another additional half bath here, so that there's 2.5 baths at this property. And the kitchen area is back here. We do have bottled water here for your convenience to use. Some of our guests like that as well. I know when we stayed here, we like that. We will leave some incidental things for you. So there will be some coffee, trash bags, paper towels, some basic spices and things like that. This is an ice maker that you can use. It's pretty easy. I keep this in here so it doesn't get a funky smell, and it keeps the moisture and it keeps it really clean. So in the bottom, you just pour the water there, and there's a paper towel on the bottom as well. So remove both. And then you just select whether you want large or small cubes, turn it on, and you'll have ice cubes in about 7 minutes, okay? And full refrigerator. We will leave usually some items in here for you, and then some additional little things that sometimes our guests might want, like sugar and flour, honey, a couple bottles of wine. You're welcome to use anything that's here. If it's open, take it with you, finish it, or throw it away. You'll see there is plenty of, this right here is a quick little toaster top oven that also does an air fry. There's lots of stuff here if you want to cook or eat here, you can. A few extra things that were left behind. There's a full set of silverware and also pots and pans. There's a pizza pan down here. And then a couple other little things like a cutting board, just basic stuff here. This is that half bath again that you can use. And this has a barn door here that will also close, and there's a pocket door on the other side. Let me show you the deck really quick. I have a guest checking in, so I've got to get out of here. On the back, this is a big deck. This part here is going to be screened in the future, so this might look a little different when you're here, but this is the video for right now. And then the deck goes all the way back. There is a barbecue grill here for you to use, and then this fire pit and everything is yours. Now there's going to be a fence, a privacy fence installed here along the back, because again, back there is a separate parcel that has a different address from this one, okay? And this here is a hideaway bed that we can utilize for the 5th and 6th guests. If you need to utilize this, or you're going to have an additional guest stay, please let us know, and we would prefer to set that up for you as opposed to guests touching it. It can be broken pretty easily if it's not handled properly, and so we just prefer to do that ourselves if you need to utilize that space. Now, we had opened this up as a big room, planning to utilize it as an event space, and we decided to Airbnb it instead. So there's some dividers here for a privacy area right here. So the secondary bedroom is set up with dividers. There are plenty of extra sheets and blankets and pillows and things here for your convenience. You're welcome to use this. Please don't take anything. Leave whatever is here, but you're welcome to use it if you need it. First aid kit, iron, and mosquito repellent. full-size length mirror, and then you'll have a washer and dryer here available for your use. We usually leave laundry soap and dryer sheets there for you. That is an owner's closet. Please leave that area private for us. And in here is a pretty good sized shower, and you'll notice there's extra lights here. If you want extra lighting, you can turn this on. We do leave these refreshed with Q-tips and cotton balls and rounds. There's a dryer here, and then usually some extra things you can utilize. There's towels in both of the bathrooms, so we'll have plenty of fresh things here to use. And I think that's it. There's TV trays here. If you'd like to utilize these, you can. Just to sit by the TV and relax after a long day. This is completely open. If you'd like to put clothing or anything else in here, you can. There's mobile hanger areas in the front that can be brought inside too. This is a little guest book. Go ahead and leave us a little note on how you liked your experience here, and if there's anything else maybe you did while you were here that you want to leave for other guests. I'm sure they would appreciate that. And then I'll leave a goodie basket for you in case you forgot anything at home. Feel free to utilize those, and we just ask that if you open it, take it with you. If you don't use it, leave it for another guest. Toothbrushes usually are in a large pack, so obviously if you utilize that, take them with you, okay? This here is for the Wi-Fi. You just scan this with your smartphone to connect. And I think that's about it. So this is a great little place. We've got a lot of money into renovating this place, and it came out really, really good. So please take care of our home just like you would your own. We know that you will. We are Airbnb guests ourselves, so we know what it's like to have a nice little home away from home that's clean. We hope you will enjoy your experience here. If you've got any questions about the space, or there's something you need, or there's something we forgot that we should be including for future guests, please let us know. Thank you.